Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Impossible puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Oscar van Deventer. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 and the object is to take it apart, mix all parts and then assemble it again. If you take a close look at this puzzle at a right angle, you will find why it has its name, so probably something like this. It looks like a regular triangle which sides are attached together in a weird places, but if you take a closer look from a different angle, you will see that each part has a shape of a lightning, something like this, and that's what makes this interesting illusion. If you like Impossible puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first of all, this puzzle is held together by rubber bands. There are usually 2 rubber bands, but I've lost one, so I have only 1 rubber band. I have to remove it, and the puzzle will fall apart into parts quite easy. And now we have to assemble the puzzle. So first what we have to do is to put parts in a correct way. And that's going to be the most difficult part, since if you take a close look at each part like this, they look like a square, and that means you can put them like this, or you can put them like this, or this way, or this way. So there are many possibilities how you can put each part, and then you have to fit the rest parts, so that is quite difficult to do. So let's see, if I put black and white parts like this, yeah, probably like this. Now I have to figure out how to fit the red and green pieces. So if I fit the green piece from the back side, like, nope, I can't fit it there, I can fit it here on top. Probably I can do it, probably. Oh, okay, maybe I have to do it different way, like this. And the next piece, red, I have to fit like this. Let's see what we have. We have something very close to what we had at the very beginning. Now it's better to grab a rubber band and put it right here so that it can hold all pieces. Now we will find how to fit the rest part. So the blue one, I'll try to fit it probably right here. Yeah, this side will go between the on the back side of the red and green, and this side I will fit between white and black, like that. Yeah, that's quite difficult to do. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that looks pretty much correct. And now we have only one piece left, the yellow, and I have to fit it on top and squeeze it between the white and black part. Yeah, that's it. Seems like I've been able to assemble the Impossible puzzle. And I've been able to do it since I know the solution, but if you don't know how to assemble this puzzle, you may spend at least 20-30 minutes to figure out how to put all these parts together. If you like Impossible puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Oscar van Deventer, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!